Hi friends, now we are going to talk about another topic is multi-stage amplifier. So in this topic, the multi-stage nothing but more than one stages are connected as either cascade or cascode. So it is more than one stages are connected as either cascade or cascode, that is nothing but series or parallel connection. Now so how can you design the multi-stage amplifier? So this is actually, first of all we have to design the basic block diagram. This is block diagram. Generally, amplified, we have, this is amplified, n stages. At the end, we have to use the source resistor and source voltage, either AC or DC is the source voltage. At the end of this, we have to use one resistor is RL. Okay, so now we are using here n stages. N stages. In this branch, the current is IL. Output voltage across this value is VL. Here some current is passing. That is actual port 2. This one is port 1. Here port 1 voltage V1. Port 2 voltage is V2. So what I am going to draw about this multi-stage amplifier, within the basic block diagram, we are going to introduce that more than one stages. So simply that as it is source, we are having, that is the Vs, and the source resistance is Rs. Now we have that n stages having, we are using multi-stage. That is, n stage is nothing but multi-stage. So first stage output is connected to this. This is first stage amplifier. Okay, first stage amplifier is connected to second stage input. Second stage. So second stage. Similarly, we are going to design one more stage, is third stage. Third stage. Similarly, we have to design up to n stages. That is nth stage. At the end of the nth stage, we have to use the same load resistor is RL. That current is IL, that voltage is VL, and output current is nth stage current, like that we can do. So one by one we are going to define that. Generally here we have that only one amplification. In that block diagram there are many sub blocks. So first of all, this is the first stage. Simply that input current, I, input current, that is the first stage. First stage input current. So this one is input voltage. So first stage, 1 for first, I for input voltage. First stage input voltage, first stage input current. Similarly here that is first stage output current. Output voltage is first stage output voltage. Similarly at the end of this, that is second stage input current. Similarly that voltage is second stage input voltage. Similarly is the second stage. This current is always that amplification, input and output are both are incoming to that amplification. This is second stage output current. This is second stage output voltage. Here incoming to this, that value is third stage input current. Here third stage input voltage, like that. And the end of this, that is third stage output current, output voltage is third stage output voltage. Here this one is nth stage, that is nth stage input current, and that voltage is nth stage output voltage, input. At the end of this, that is nth stage output current, output voltage is nth stage output voltage, like that we can. So based on this basic block diagram, we have to calculate all the characteristics. Generally that characteristics are generally input impedance Ri. The formula for input impedance Ri is, for the entire basic block diagram, we have to calculate entire input voltage is V first stage input voltage by first stage input current. We have first stage input voltage Vi1 and first stage input current is I1. Like that you can calculate the input characteristics. Similarly, output impedance. Output impedance is overall output impedance. Overall output current is generally here, that is output voltage is VL, and then you can calculate output current is IL. So here VL by IL. For calculating this, first of all you have to have that analysis part of this is here. For the first stage outgoing current is II2, and what is the relationship between II2 and II1? Both are opposite direction. So here I01 is equal to minus of II2. Here both are in parallel voltages. V01 is equal to VI2. Both are equal. Similarly, here I02 is equal to minus II3. Here currents are opposite direction. This is moving towards left side, this is moving towards right side. But here V02 is equal to Vi3. Both are parallel. That's why both are same. At the same time, here both are opposite direction, like that you can take. So IIN is equal to I03, like that. Okay. Similarly, V03 is equal to VIN, like that. At the same time, at the end of this value is here, IL is moving clockwise direction, I0N is moving opposite direction, I0I is equal to minus IL. Okay. So based on, similarly, V0N is equal to VL. Their voltages are same, currents are different. Based on this concept, you can calculate input impedance and output impedance. Now we are going to calculate overall current gain. This is actual first character, input impedance. Second one is output impedance, and third one is current gain. The current gain formula AI is equal to, that formula is output current by input current. Here output current is, entire the diagram is output current is IL. So that value is IL. And by, what about input current is II1 value. So in between starting and ending, there are many stages that it can be represented as here, that is equal to, same process we are representing this here, that is the first stage output. What is the first stage output current is? First stage output current is, this is here, that value is opposite direction to denominator is same, II1, and this one is here IL by II1. Okay. Then for the clockwise direction, for the first stage outgoing current is, that is II2. This is actual first. But in terms of this, that is actual minus of I01. So this is the first stage output current. This one is first stage input current. Both are opposite direction. Once again I am going to repeat. that is equal to minus I01 by II1 into, what is the second stage current again? Second stage is I02 by input current is II2 into third stage. What about third stage output current is I03 by, that is I02, like that you can take. So based on this concept you can substitute the entire function. This is II3, but we have to cancel this function here. II2 is equal to minus I01, so that it can be represented as here both are equal, based on this equation. So both are cancelled, and II3 is equal to minus I02. Like that you can convert in terms of that minus symbol. So both are cancelled. At the end of the last stage, what is the meaning of this? That is IL by same I03. I03 cancel. Finally you will get, that is IL by II1. So the overall current gain AI is equal to, this is the first stage current gain, second stage, third stage. So first stage current gain is AI1 into AI2 into up to AIN. So this is the overall current gain for multi-stage amplifier. So simple shortcut for this is, you have to calculate individual samples. Based on that individual samples you can calculate the overall current gain. So first, next, similarly fourth one is overall voltage gain. Overall voltage gain is AV. Similarly, in this circuit diagram, overall voltage is, output value is VL. So VL by, what about input value is VI1. Then overall output value, that is equal to, what is the first stage voltage gain is, this is the first stage output voltage is V01 by, what about first stage input voltage is VI1 into second stage output voltage is V02 by VI2 into third stage output voltage is V03 by third stage input voltage is VI3 into up to nth stage. What about the nth stage value is V0n by VIN, like that you can take. So finally we have here that V01 and this is VI2. Here V01 is equal to VI2. V01 is equal to VI2. Okay. So that's why both are cancelled. Next, V02 is equal to VI3. So both are cancelled. Simply up to that VIN is equal to V03, like that you can take. So cancel. Finally you will be get, what is the meaning of this? V0n by VIN. What is meant by V0n? Where V0n is equal to VL. So finally VL by VIN. So that is called as overall voltage gain. How can we define that? Overall voltage gain is equal to product of individual. That is the first voltage gain AV1, and next one is AV2, next one is AV3, like that, up to AVN. This is the overall voltage gain for multi-stage amplifier. Overall voltage gain. So we have total 4 characteristics for multi-stage amplifier. So what are the advantages of multi-stage amplifier? Advantages. Advantages, that is, it is used for that improvement in gain. So that is the first stage gain multiply with second stage and third stage, like that. So that is the improvement in gain. Next one is, second point is improve the quiescent point. Okay, Next one is you can improve the both input and output amplification. That is improvement of both input and output. Next one is it has high bandwidth. These are the advantages. Next, disadvantages. Disadvantages are generally it is very somewhat difficult to design that. That's why here circuit becomes complexity. Okay, next and cost is very high, so that is cost is high. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of multi-stage amplifier. Okay, thank you.